Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and if you're looking behind me, that is my Tinkercad airport. Friends, there's a lot of ways to make it better, so let's get cracking. Alright, friends, mine needs a ton of improvement because I didn't work on it as long as you guys. The first thing I'm going to do is hide my silly control tower, and let's go find our new jet. If you go to Shapes Collection, your airliner should be right there. Click and drop that little critter in, and let's add some cool wings. We're going to do our wings with an all shape. When you go to all shapes, we're going to go all the way out to page 13. It takes a lot of clicks, but once you get there, you get what's called the swept NASA. This little guy is awesome. I'm going to drop him down and use fit view. I'm going to rotate. Notice I stay close to the middle of the shape, and it's easy to rotate 90 degrees. Once again, I'm going to look at it from a corner, find this rotation handle. Once again, if I go out, it's 1 degree at a time. Notice when the mouse is close, snap, snap, and it's 90 degrees at a time. I'm going to grab that wing, and I could adjust the parameters to make something awesome. Instead, I'm just going to stretch it and make it look the way I want for my jet airliner. I'm going to get it in place. Notice I'm making sure that it sticks in a little extra. I'll show you how to fix that in a second. When we do Control D, I'm going to use the arrow keys to move it across. And then, friends, this awesome flip command lets us flip it so it's looking the right way in one step. I'm going to bring it through once again, making sure that it sticks a little bit inside. I'm going to hold down Shift and grab those two, and then I'm going to group them. And now I'm going to select both of those pieces, click Align, make the jet the master, and boom, my wings are aligned perfectly. We're going to trim those off real quick. Let me show you how. What we're going to do is go back to basic shapes, and we're going to bring in a sphere. When you set the sphere down, I need you to change its measurements to 175 and press enter. I'll move it back so you can see that it's close to the right size. I'm going to tell you this number is 48 and press enter. And then this up and down number, we are going to do 40 and press enter. We must make it a whole. And right now I'm going to shift select that in the jet and do a line, and I want it middle, and I want it middle. We can click on the jet now and hide it, and you can see that is going to trim our wings. I'm going to make sure it's centered on those wings by doing a line and clicking the wings and choosing the middle. I think that's going to be a better cut. And now I can grab those two items, make sure it says 2, and hit group. Now when we hit show all, our jet appears, so does my control tower, and you can see our wings are pretty darn sharp. We can adjust that just a little bit by hitting a line and a line. And now they fit right with the edge of our aircraft. The last thing we're going to do is add a cool windshield. Put your work plane right on that sill and bring out a half sphere. Set it at the front and just stretch it all the way to the back. Use the black handle to pull it out so it touches those walls. And on the other side, do the same thing. Notice how it sticks just inside. And then I'm going to pick a different color and raise it up just a little more. I'm going to choose a green color. And then the sweetest thing is to hit transparent so you can see in it. I'm going to put the work plane back down to the ground, and I'm going to show you one more quick trick. If you change the colors, remember this whole thing changes. But your wings can be a separate color. This all is one piece because we made it a part using Codeblocks. I'm going to take my cool aircraft now and group it. And then if you want to adjust its size, you can hold down Shift, shrink it, and make it so it fits your project perfect. Friends, if you've got this far, make sure you remember things like multicolor. Do understand that if you group the windshield, it does lose its transparency. So I am going to ungroup that, and I'm just going to group the wing and jet. So then I just have to remember whenever I move this, I'm going to be moving two shapes. So that way that's separate. Right now this is still grouping, so that's paused. I'm not going to show you how to create the wheels because I've already done that, but I will put a link up above in a card if you haven't completed that, so you can add other cool things to your jet. Once again, if I turn on multicolor, we're back to the sweet white-blue combo for my aircraft and airport. Friends, I hope you're having a ton of fun with this, and I hope you make awesome airports. If you do, don't forget you can hit this sweet share button and copy a link and send me that link so I can check out your stuff. I am available at HLModTech on Facebook, Instagram, and Gmail. You can also always reach out by visiting the HLModTech.com website and using our built-in messaging. You can also track me down on Twitter at HLTinkercad. Lastly, friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.